Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to add friends on Zynga Poker. So then to add friends on Zynga Poker, you have to first of all make sure that you already have an account. Go ahead and open up browser, type in zyngapoker.com and it's going to take you to the official page. You go ahead and create your account and you'll be able to play the game. So when you've already created your account, this is how the interface is going to look like. To add friends on Zynga Poker, you have to first of all complete this task. So when you've done completing the round one, you'll be taken to this page. Here you can go ahead and tap on the continue button, read all these, press on the icon that's right over here. And when you actually go ahead and press on this icon, look here right over here. Here you can go ahead and press on buddies, and if you have different options, this is referral, request, or recent. So you could go ahead and add a recent person that you played with as a friend, and you could also go ahead and request to some other people, like you send a friend request. And if you use a referral code or if you use a referral, then you'll be able to get certain amount of points or certain amount of coins that can benefit you. So if you go ahead and tap on referral, then it's going to show you this kind of pop-up menu. You could go ahead and tap on the share button, and when you do that, you have to enter in or select the method of sharing it on different platform, and then you'll be able to invite friends or add friends to your Zynga poker game. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.